Hey, what's up everyone? Hi, this is Harshadmenon from Health and Muscles. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe to the channel because I come up with awesome content every Wednesdays. Well, I make videos on diet, workout, supplementation, your recipes and motivational content. And if you want to check out some of my motivational content videos, I'll be attaching it to the I button over here. You can click over here. I've made a couple of videos on motivational content, basically transformational videos. I'm very sure they will motivate you. And if you're someone who wants to understand the science behind losing weight, you need to check out Nutrition Simplified, which I'll be attaching again over here. In the Nutrition Simplified, I come up with videos wherein I explain the logic and the basics behind the science of losing weight in a very layman term, so you can understand the basics of it and apply it on yourself as well. In this video, I'm going to be making a oats coffee banana pancake. Of course, it does have a topping on top of it. The topping is chocolate topping. The secret ingredient to the chocolate sauce is your whey protein. Basically, we are going to be making a pancake with a chocolate topping. I am also taking into consideration the protein content of it so that we are not left out with the protein part for the whole day. We need to have at least 25 to 35 grams of protein minimum every day on all your meals. This is one meal. Let's see you on the other side of the video. In order to make the coffee oats banana pancake, we'd require a mixer, couple of empty bowls, a mixer jar, coffee powder, oats, baking powder, butter, fresh cream, milk, egg, banana, and of course protein powder. We'll also be requiring a kitchen scale so that we can measure out each ingredients properly and we can list out the protein, carbs and fats present in the entire recipe. In order to make the coffee banana pancake, we'll be requiring oats, so we need to grind the oats into smaller particles. So we'll be using the mixer attachment of the jar. So switch on the measuring scale and we'll use in 40 grams of oats. So I'm going to be adding this in a bowl to ensure that you're emptying all of it because you have measured everything. So now you have made a powder out of the oats. This will help us in making the batter for the pancake. This is how the powdered oats looks like. This is what we are going to be using so that we can make a batter out of it. The riper the banana, the tastier it is going to be. Let's mash the bananas now so that we can mix it to the powdered oats that we have made. So this is how the mashed bananas look like. Now we'll be adding one egg to the mix. Now mix it well. Now you are taking the coffee powder and you are going to be adding water to it so that you can make a concussion out of it. So you need to mix it properly. So what this coffee concussion is going to do is it is going to kill the eggy smell which is going to be coming into the pancake. So we need to mix it properly so that there are no more lumps. I think this is perfect. I will be adding the decoction to the egg and the banana mixture that we have made over here. Give it a slight mix. Now in the dry ingredient, that's the oat flour that we made, we'll be adding 1 gram of baking powder to the mix, and also we'll be adding salt as per taste. Now mix the dry ingredients well. Once you mix the dry ingredients, after this you will be adding on the wet ingredients that we have made. So again, wet ingredients contain your coffee decoction that you made, your banana and the egg. Now mix this well so that you can form a runny batter. One thing that you have to take into consideration is there should be no lumps. Now you can see that the consistency is a little thick. Now in order to reduce the consistency, in order to make it a little runny, we'll have to add in 20 ml of milk. So I'll be adding 20 ml of milk. So this is how you make the batter, and you will have to taste the batter so that you understand if you need to add in honey or stevia. I prefer sugar-free gold. The reason for this is because it makes me avoid those unwanted calories, unwanted sugars that I do not want to add into this. When on diet, it's always important to count those macros, and getting in those extra carbs from sugars does not make any sense, because I could rather add in oats or rice, and that will make me full. Yes, the batter is a bit bitter, so I will be adding 4 to 5 pellets of sugar-free gold. So I'm mixing the sugar-free gold. I have used 1 teaspoon of milk for mixing it. You can use water as well. Now we'll be adding the sugar-free gold that we have made into the batter. The batter is ready. We will be making the pancakes. Now one thing that you have to understand is we need to use only 5 grams of butter, and we are just using the butter so that we can brush it up on the non-stick. So now it looks like one side is done. So in order to make the chocolate sauce or the chocolate topping, we will be using Amul fresh cream, milk and protein powder. So we'll be using 25 grams of cream, half scoop of whey. Now mix the whey well so that there are no lumps formed. Now you add in milk, 50 ml of milk. You mix it well so that there are no lumps formed. Now the sauce is ready. This is the consistency that we need. So we'll be using this sauce as a chocolate topping. Now let's pour the chocolate topping that we made on top of the pancakes. So that's how you make the oats banana coffee pancake. Well, this recipe serves one, and also it gives you a protein intake of 26 grams. The fat intake would be 20, while the carbs would be 38, and the total calorie would be 445 calories. So let's taste this. It's yum.